Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be about TCS NQT Drive for 2021 and 2022. If you are interested to know about the details on your own, you can check out the link which is placed in the description box. Alternatively, you can also head over to our website where you get all the information and details and all the links to process it at one place itself. You can head over to Google and search for TCS NQT 2021 Freshers Now, and you can land in Freshers Now website where all of the information will be at one place itself. Don't forget to join us through Telegram because you will be getting regular job updates. Link is provided in the description box for you to check out and join us directly into Freshers Now Telegram channel. Before we head into over the details, we would be knowing about TCS National Qualifier Test, which is also called as TCS NQT. So, TCS National Qualifier Test is considered to be a multi-level assessment to assess the following competencies or skills. So, what it is basically surrounded and what are the basic elements which are in it. Competency on the core cognitive processes which are required for the entry-level jobs. So, whitelist when you are entering into the job market, you would be needing specifications of particular skills and other core components. So, TCS NQT, this particular test would be enabling you to assess on all of them and be eligible to take up those entry-level jobs and enter into the job market. And the next one is industry specific knowledge and further insights. So in regards to this, it is clearly mentioning about having particular knowledge and insights about the following market trends and how the job market is being evolved into. So you should have the relevant specifications, and also following with that you should also know the insights as to how the companies and the organizations are taking up the candidates info. The next one is specialization on skills which are required to perform various other job roles. So everything which are aligned, you should be able to understand, and also how they are interlinked and interconnected amongst the organizations or the companies with the job roles which are associated in them. So this particular test is going to give you an assessment on whole lot of the interlinks and connections in between the job roles, giving you the insights plus enabling you to understand the skills part so that you would be able to level up better in the job sector. Now, you will have the cognitive skills score, the first section. So as it is divided into the different sections: attitudinal alignment NQT score, industry score, and subject score. So these are the various core sections of the test. And if you want to know about the test, as you can see, so about the test is mentioned in this particular column. So it is a prerequisite for all of the test, and all NQT variant scorecards would be valid for 2 years. So for 2 years you could be landing onto any of the company or the organization that you are interested into, and it is conducted online, and you can take it at home and physical in centers. TCS ION authorization from centers also as well. Flexibility to apply for each of the quarter, and providing the opportunity for multiple attempts, and the best score only will be taken into consideration, and that scorecard whichever you have acquired, that will be valid for the next 2 years. So that is how this is going to be. And candidates with NQT score can apply to the jobs on the TCS ION job listing platform. So what is the job listing platform? We are going to now see it further. So you can see various other companies and organizations which are intertwined with TCS ION. So with amongst the list which is provided through TCS itself, you can see what are the companies that you are interested into and provide the same scorecard to land up into that company as well. In this section, we are going to understand the description about the test. So as you have known about, we would be understanding now, this will be a gateway to top jobs in corporate sector from various other companies and organizations. Now, heading over to the descriptions part, the test date is going to be on 25th of December 2021 onwards, and the application closing date is just on 5th of December 2021. So the next exam cycle is going to be March 2022. The applications are open, so you can start applying. And the exam is soon going to be in December, and the closing date or the deadline or the bar for the application applying date is going to be on 5th of December. So prior date to that, you can just start applying to this. So if you are interested in this, you can start applying. So just you can click here, apply now, and that you would be landed over to this particular section called variants. So in this variants, you would be knowing about the cognitive skills, the test, and if you are interested, you can buy them and you can test your scorecards. And here you can see the industry NQT, the subject NQT. As I've mentioned already, you can check out all the bundles. They have collectively put together in one section itself. So whichever sector that you are interested in, you can just take over this and then you can start your test applications. We would be knowing about how would you be processing through this TCS NQT. Now, why this test? So if you take this test, what would be happening and what are the process or the steps that are involved in this TCS NQT? So with this test, you will have improved employability quotient, you have increased visibility in the job market, you have unlimited attempts to take up the test, and the best scorecard only will be taken into consideration. And then you would be aligned with the desired or the dreamed industry, and it is a structurized test, so there will be no sort of confusion or chaos in between the test components, and you will be able to understand it prior easily. And this is going to be the journey to your dream job or your dream company. So first step, what you have to do is register yourself here, and then you have to buy the TCS NQT variant, which I have just mentioned you earlier. The variant section is going to give you all of the bundles collectively at one place, so you can check out there. And then you have to take the test, whichever you are subjected to or whichever sector that you are into, and then you would be getting a score. Your scorecard will be then released. After you get the scorecard, that scorecard will be valid up to 2 years, and after that you would be applying for all of the corporate jobs as per the eligibility criteria. You can put up this scorecard and then land into your desired job markets and also various other companies or organizations that you are interested into. So now that you have understood all of the brief details about TCS NQT, if you have further more doubts or if you want to know more about it, you can check the videos and testimonial section, where they would be giving out their impression and how they have taken the test and how they have felt taking up the test. So if you want to know more, you can check out the videos and also the testimonials that they have given in this particular section. And if you have further more questions, you can get into this section called Have a Question. You can just head over to Have a Question section, and then they would be requesting a call back. They have given the help desk number, and then you can also have a live chat with the organization itself. Also, if you have further more questions and some of the questions which you have a common answers for, if you have some doubts or anything, you can go to the FAQ sections, which they would be having n number of questions they have already answered. So what is this test about? What are the cognitive skills that a candidate should be requiring and they will be assessing into? What is the attitudinal alignment of the test? And then what is this industry about? So all of the FAQs are placed in one section so that you can check it eventually. And if you have further more questions for us, you can place them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.